Do you know that a protein in milk can kill bacteria and viruses? Lactoferrin can. So, what is lactoferrin? The lacto in its name represents its first discovery in cow milk in the 1930s. However, it's also present in almost all exocrine secretions of mammals, such as saliva, tears, bile, and pancreatic juice. Lactoferrin is a multifunctional glycoprotein consisting of one polypeptide chain made up of 700 amino acids. It has various properties that, in conjunction, partly reveals why breast milk is good for the health of infants whose immune systems are not fully developed for the defense of pathogens. Lactoferin's antimicrobial properties include antibacterial, antiviral, antiparasitic, and antifungal properties. However, we will focus on just the antibacterial and antiviral activity of lactoferrin. Lactoferrin has antibacterial properties which can prevent bacteria from using free iron. To do so, the protein has two methods that control the level of free iron to create a low iron concentrated environment around the bacteria. One, it has the ability to transfer iron into cells, and for another, by binding with iron. Therefore, it deprives most bacterial pathogens from a major iron source necessary for energy metabolism known as heme in their heme biosynthesis pathway, which relates to the first babe's topic, metabolism. This affects their ability to replicate and bind to hosts, resulting in bacterial cell lysis and preventing bacterial diseases. Besides killing bacteria with low iron concentration, another lactoferin's antibacterial property involves reducing the efficiency of some bacteria infecting the host cell. For example, lactoferrin can largely reduce both the production and the secretion of some key virulence proteins in bacterial type 3 secretion system used in gram-negative bacteria, such as Escherichia coli and Shigella flexneri. In addition, lactoferrin can prevent the infected individual from further damage induced by these bacterial infections, such as homolysis of erythrocytes. Here we understand that the type 3 secretion system in E. coli and Shigella species, which are classified under the group RODS, allowing researchers to differentiate lactoferin's different modes of actions towards different bacterial types. This aligns with the second babe's topic, cell biology and cell architecture. Don't you agree lactoferrin is amazing? But wait, there's more. It's antiviral activities.
So, how does lactoferrin work against viruses?
Well, for starters, its antiviral properties include methods such as inhibition of pathogen and host interaction, lactoferrin and the pathogen particle, the ability to invade and hinder host cell response, and also the ability to inhibit viral replication and prevent cell death. For example, lactoferrin has the ability to prevent viral-induced apoptosis, which is cell death in the echovirus infection. The echoviruses belong to a group of viruses called enteroviruses, and mainly lives in the digestive system. The result of the experiments showed that lactoferrin-treated cells reported without detectable changes, such as cell death, while echovirus-infected cells without treatment were found to have gone through cell death. The research highlighted lactoferrin found in milk as a means of protection from general enterovirus infections, demonstrating its antiviral activity through virus inhibition of cell death, and as a result, the prevention of severe organism complication. Scientists are constantly exploring through research to understand the world of science further, where researchers are yet to grasp the full mechanisms of lactoferrin and its effect on all types of microorganisms. To answer aims and test new theories, hypotheses, scientists continuously build on the knowledge of others, using first-hand data published in primary and secondary sources. These sources, such as research papers and peer review articles, provide reliability and credibility to others' work. This concept aligns with the third BAPS topic, thinking like a scientist. You see, physicians and doctors apply research knowledge through medical application, identify disease trends and risk factors and outcomes of treatment to ultimately improve the lives of their patients. As such, published studies investigating lactoferrin as a supplement have shown beneficial effects such as its ability to help stimulate the immune system and maintain a healthy level of beneficial bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract. It has the potential to sequester iron, making the bad gut bacteria unable to colonize and replicate in large numbers. As such, when lactoferrin binds to bacteria, viruses, and fungi, it can help manage and regulate their numbers. Lactoferrin has two major effects on such pathogens. It inhibits their growth and it impairs the function of the surface, thereby decreasing their ability to enter or to invade mammalian cells. Thus, lactoferrin can protect infants from gastrointestinal infection by preventing the attachment by entropathogens in the gut. In addition, lactoferrin may be used to reduce symptoms related to the stomach, such as intestinal ulcers, diarrhea, and hepatitis C. It has also been suggested that lactoferrin could potentially help with iron deficiency and severe diarrhea problems, and aid in regulating bone marrow function. As such, has been used in trials to boost the immune system. Lactoferrin can also be produced through the use of recombinant DNA technology, aligning with the fourth BAPS topic, genetics. Lactoferrin also has the potential to create new pathways in drug delivery systems. For example, the treatment against drug-resistant bacteria could involve transforming the protein into an artificial virus that could differentiate between human and bacterial cells, allowing it to kill bacteria only. This characteristic has paved the way for further developments in technology, such as delivering gene therapy to human cells, improving the treatment and curing health disorders such as sickle cell disease and cystic fibrosis, which result from a single mutant gene. It's unbelievable how such a small molecule could play such a vital role against the defense of pathogenic organisms. However, there is still much more to be understood about lactoferrin and the full extent of its capabilities and applications in the medical field. Science is a never-ending learning journey, with technology advancements continuously surprising us with its capabilities. So, until next time.